I completed my first year in landscape design at Fanshawe College and am now working on an organic market garden farm for the summer. This experience is incredibly rewarding for several reasons. Firstly, it connects me closely with nature, allowing me to learn about natural cycles and sustainable practices while working hands-on with plants and soil. Secondly, the health benefits are tangible. Working outdoors with fresh produce contributes to physical and well-being and mental health, contrasting with indoor office environments. The farm also provides a valuable learning opportunity in agriculture, from planting to pest management, useful when pursuing farming or homesteading. Moreover, organic farms foster community. I've met like-minded individuals passionate about sustainability and formed meaningful friendships. Environmental impact is significant. Organic practices promote sustainability and responsible agriculture, contributing to a healthier ecosystem. Personally, the challenges of farming cultivate resilience, problem-solving, and patience, valuable traits for any career or life situation. By participating in the local food movement, I directly support the local economy and food security, making a meaningful impact. Overall, this summer on an organic market garden farm has been fulfilling, blending physical activity, environmental stewardship, and community engagement in a uniquely enriching experience.